Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Cancer? Okay, Six of Swords, Knight of Swords, Four of Swords. Two cards. Interesting. What's cards are just jumping. Devil. Who is devil in this reading? One person could be. Is you or your person? Cards are just jumping, guys. Today. See. Not listening to me. Cancer. Page of Swords under the deck. There is a lot of spying going between you and your person watching you. On social media, there is a lot of stalking. Okay, they want to send some message. Yeah, they are willing to come back, but they are very slow moving energy. That's why they're spying. They want to test the waters before coming towards you, Cancer. So let's see. You are reading recent past, Six of Swords, Knight of Swords and Four of Swords. You decided to move on from your person, Cancer, because there are some issues. Maybe your person is very I think dominating in nature. Maybe they are in and out of your life. There is no constant communication, on and off connection. It could be anything. You decided to move on. And yeah, you are not talking to anyone. Four of Swords energy. You want to heal yourself. Four of Swords. But thinking about them. But you want to heal. And but they are rushing towards you. For some, you already received message from your person. If not, you are going to be. Because Knight of Swords, they are rushing to talk with you in past. Then present, Devil, Wheel of Fortune and Five of Pentacles. Yes, there is cold shouldering. Maybe they are treating you as a option. That's why you decided to move on from this person. That's why you want to heal from this hurt. How maybe they treat you very badly. Maybe they are not responding to your calls, texts, whatever. It hurts you badly. That's why you are undergoing healing. And because they are very because the devil energy is very dark energy. Maybe they are very dominative. They are obsessed with you. And there is obsession in this connection which creates resistance also. And Wheel of Fortune, things are turning out into your favor. Cancer, don't worry. Definitely some positive shifts are coming. This is not a permanent energy. Future energy is looking very, very good because the Fool and Queen of Pentacles and Chariot. You started moving towards your goals because the Chariot with Queen of Pentacles, even though it is very slow moving energy, still you started to move forward, to work on yourself, to invest energy on yourself, because Queen of Pentacles with Chariot, you are more concentrating on your growth, on your abundance. And the Fool, and in near future you will be in this energy. You are living in the present moment and you are going with the flow. This is very good energy. Yeah, you are more concentrating on your career than anything. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Capricorn or Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. The Fool. They want new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings. Two of Swords, Page of Cups, King of Wands. Under the deck, Ten of Cups. They want this happiness with you. Two of Swords, still your person at some crossroads. They have to make some decision regarding this relationship, but they are unable to make. They are very indecisive. And Page of Cups, but they want to send some apology message, communication. King of Wands, Your person is also very powerful and grounded person, and there is a lot of passion. They are very passionate about you. Let's see the near future actions towards you, Cancer. Two of Pentacles. I am not seeing any, they will take any action soon, because Knight of Pentacle energy in past, I think they are coming, but very slow, very slow. That's why in near future, I think after 10 days, after 20 days, it will take maybe 2 months, 3 months, whatever, because they are also working towards their career and goals, because Queen of Pentacles with Nine of Pentacles, I think you both are on the same page. You both are working towards your goals, and they are listening to their higher self and intuition. Yeah, I think they may be trying to manifest you back. They may be trying to manifesting you back, but not taking any action. Maybe using techniques, manifesting. Yeah, they're still at some crossroads. Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Six of Wands. Yeah, they will, but it will take so much time, to be honest, because Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, they are working towards their career and goals. Maybe they have some financial issues. That's why they're concentrating on more finances and careers. And you also concentrating on your career. It is very good. Take a break for a while, both. Sometimes it is also very good. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But lot of earth energy. A lot of juggling. Strength. Yeah, they're getting their strength back. Maybe they investing energy on their self. Right now they're working on their self, to be honest. Because I'm not saying that they will call you next. No. They're working on themselves right now, but they will not giving up, because Seven of Wands, still there is passion between both of you, but it will take some time. Please invest energy on yourself, work on yourself. It is very good for you. Still your person at some crossroads. Maybe they are seeing other options also for some. It depends. Yeah, you are going to be make some major decisions regarding this connection. Yeah, you also, I think you both are mirroring each other. You also trusting your intuition, listening to your intuition, higher self, inner voice, High Priestess. Maybe you are also manifesting them, Judgment, but some major decisions regarding this connection, Tower moment. Maybe one person in this connection undergoing some Tower moment right now. See, yeah, there will be union. You both want the same thing, but you both are busy with your careers right now, according to this reading. Yeah, you both want, but you both are right now concentrating towards your career and goals, but it will happen. Maybe you both could be twin flames, back and forth connection. You both I think your person once attracted to you, then again I think this is back and forth connection energy type. Yeah, I already told you, you both are manifesting each other, trying to see. Magician with Four of Wands, High Priestess. There is some manifesting going. Manifesting each other. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Cancer. Yeah, they're very passionate about you. You are concentrating on your career, getting financial, material stability, and yeah, in love also, this is soulmate connection. You both are connected, even though you both are talking or not, it doesn't matter. Definitely you both are connected, and stability in relationship also will come in near future. Yeah, waiting. And for some it could be long distance relationship. Yeah, waiting. In divine timing, everything will be okay. Let's see your person overall energy. Four of Wands, Queen of Wands, King of Wands, 10 of Wands. See, they are also busy and overburdened with their work. They are feeling overburdened due to family or work pressure. It could be anything. They are feeling overburdened. And Knight of Wands, they are very passionate about you. I think you both are very passionate about each other. There is a lot of passion. You both are attracted to each other. There is a lot of attraction. Queen of Wands and Four of Wands. They want this happiness with you. They're still attracted to you. There is a lot of passion between both of you. That's why this will happen in near future, because still there is a lot of attraction. Cancer. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Cancer. Your commitment is being tested. Yeah, this is a testing time because you both are concentrating on your careers, but this is your commitment is being tested. Maybe in career wise also it is a testing time, but be patient, everything will be okay. Under the deck, your hard work is paying off. See how these two cards are related. Definitely your hard work is going to be paying off. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.